Experiencing internet connectivity issues with your Rogers modem? The two most common culprits are power supply problems and coax cable issues. First, check the power LED on your modem. A solid green light indicates a stable power connection. If it's blinking red, inspect the power adapter for loose connections. Ensure it's plugged into a working outlet and check for any signs of damage or power surges. For coax cables, make sure they are securely connected to both the modem and the wall jack, using an RG6 rated cable, free from kinks or corrosion. Signal strength can be checked via the modem's status page, usually at 192.168.100.1, where optimal downstream power should be 0 to 10 dBm/EV and upstream 35 to 55 dBm/EV. Loose coax connections can cause packet loss and slow speeds. Rogers reported a 15% increase in cable-related support tickets this year due to aging infrastructure, so this is more important now than ever. Remember, these components are the bridge between the Rogers network and your home devices. If power and coax connections are solid, performing a hard reset is the next step. Unplug both the power and coax cables from the modem, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and then reconnect them. This clears the modem's cache and resets its configurations. For advanced users, a factory reset via the reset button on the back, held for 10 seconds, restores default settings but erases custom Wi-Fi networks. Rogers recommends this after firmware updates to resolve bugs. Looking ahead, Rogers modems, such as the XB9, integrate AI-powered self-healing features that automatically detect and fix power or coax issues. App-based troubleshooting is also on the rise, with a 40% increase in user adoption since 2023. Future modems will likely be fully wireless or fiber only, phasing out coax dependency, with Rogers Fiber Plus rollout targeting 70% of Canadian homes by 2030. In the meantime, keep those cables tight and the power steady.